Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS. We are going to do revision of chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. First we will revise chapter number 5 in brief, then we will revise its book work and notebook work. Let's see what we have learned in this chapter earlier. Need of a house. Children, you know why do we need house? Every living being needs a house. Living being includes animals and human beings. We need a house to protect us from shelter, rain, heat, sun and wild animals and robbers. Parts of a house. Now you must have seen the house. We have different parts in our house. We have ceiling, we have wall, we have doors and windows, we have floor. We clean our floor with the help of broom and we let our doors and windows open to let fresh air enter the house. Now, rooms in a house. Children, we have different rooms in a house. Every room has some or the other thing. First is bedroom. A bedroom is a place where we sleep or take rest. Second is kitchen. A kitchen is a place where your mother cooks delicious food for you. Third is dining room. A place where you sit and have your meal. When your mama cooks food for you, you go to bedroom and have your meal? No, you go to dining room, you have a table and chair, that is called dining table. You go and take your meal there. Next is drawing room. Now, where you attend your guests when guests come at home? When guests come at home, you make them sit in drawing room. You attend guests in drawing room. Next is bathroom. Bathroom is a place where you brush your teeth and you take shower. These are different rooms in a house. Now, we will study types of houses. We have different types of houses. In every area, there are different types of houses. Like in villages, we have hut, we have boat houses, we have cottage, we have flat, we have tent house, we have caravan. These are different types of houses. Now, we will discuss book work of this chapter. You will revise it with me and you will speak this word twice. R dash protects us from the rain and hot sun. What protects us from rain and hot sun? Home. Spelling of home is H-O-M-E, home. The dash let in the fresh air. What let in the fresh air, children? Doors and windows. That's why we open our doors and windows. Spelling of doors is D-O-O-R-S, doors. And spelling of windows is W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. A dash is made of canvas cloth. Now children, as I told you, we have different types of houses. Every type of house is made from different material. Tent house is made from canvas cloth. Igloo, we have igloo also. Igloo is made of ice bricks. Caravan is a moving house, like our car has wheels now. The same way caravan also has wheels. It's a moving house. We can move here and there from that house. Tent house is a temporary house. We can people who love moving from one place to another, they carry tent house with them. So, tent house is made of canvas cloth. Canvas is a thick cloth. Spelling of tent is T-E-N-T, tent. And igloo is made of dash blocks. As I explained you now, igloo is made of ice blocks. A hut is made of dash and dash. Now children, can you see hut in cities? No. Hut is mostly found in villages and it is made up of mud and thatch. Spelling of mud is M-U-D, mud, and spelling of thatch is T-H-A-T-C-H. Now, after revising this book work, now we will revise notebook work of this chapter. Let's see. Why do you need a house? Why do you need a house? We need a house to protect us from rain and the hot sun. I told you na, every living being needs a shelter, whether they are animals or whether they are human beings. Everyone want to get protected by rain and hot sun, robbers and animals. Now we human beings need to be protected by robbers and animals, wild animals, because we have stray animals also. They can bite us, they can harm us. So we need a house to protect us from rain and the hot sun, robbers and animals. Name the different parts of a house. Now we have different parts in a house. Let's see what are different parts. Walls, floor, ceiling, windows and doors. Now we will revise hard spellings of this chapter. Now we will learn spellings. You will speak with me twice. First we will learn spelling of animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Next we will learn spelling of robbers. R-O-B-B-E-R-S, robbers. Now next is protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Our house protects us from animals, robbers. Okay. Now we will learn spelling of different parts of house. W-A-L-L-S, walls. Ceiling, C-E-I-L-I-N-G. Doors, D-O-O-R-S, doors. Next is windows. W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. And the last one is floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. These are the different parts of house. Now we will learn spelling of thatch. Hut is made of mud and thatch. And where is hut found? Hut is found in villages. Now let's see the spelling of thatch. T-H-A-T-C-H. I hope these words are clear to you and you must have revised twice these spellings with me. Okay, after revising chapter number 5, now we will revise chapter number 6. We will briefly discuss points to remember. First is what is school, how do we go to school, what do we do at school, rooms in a school, helpers in school and school bag. Children, what is school? School is a place of learning where we learn many things. Going to school, how do we go to school? Children, those who live near to school, they come by walking or by bicycle. Those who live far away from school, they come in van or in bus. And some parents also drop their children by their own vehicle. Next is at school. Now, what do we do at school? What we learn at school? We learn to read, to write. We learn many good things in school. Rooms in a school. We have different rooms in our school like classroom, principal's room, office, reception. We have infirmary. Now what is infirmary? Infirmary is a healthcare room. Children, when you are sick, when you don't feel well, you go to doctor's room, na? That room is called infirmary. Now in rooms in a school, we have classroom also where we spend most of the time. Your teacher is there who teaches you reading, writing and many other things. we have music room, we have music room, we have art room. Now, helpers in school. Children, there are many people in school who care for us and who helps us in different ways. Now, we will see who are the helpers. First is principal. Now, principal is the head of the school. Second is gardener. A gardener is a person who cares for the school garden. Sweeper. A sweeper is a person who keeps the school clean. Peon. Peon is a person who rings the school bell and help us in different ways. Next is school bag. Children, when you come to school, what you carry with you? You carry school bag with you. Now, what are the things you carry in your school bag? You carry books, notebooks, your lunch box and stationery items. Now, I hope you must have revised this chapter with me. Now, we will discuss bookwork of this chapter. I go to school in dash, in van. Children, those who live far away from school come to school in van. V-A-N, van. Number 2, the dash is the head of a school. Now, who is the head of a school? Principal. Spelling of principal is P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principal. The dash drives us to school. Children, when you come by van or bus, the person who drives you to school is driver. Who is the person? Person is driver. Now, let us see the spelling of driver. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. The dash rings the school bell. Now, who rings the school bell and helps us in different ways? Peon. P-E-O-N, peon. Now, we will discuss notebook work of this chapter. Name 4 things you learn in school. Now, what all are the things you learn in school? Let's see. We learn to read, write, solve sums and play sports. Let's see spelling of read. R-E-A-D, read. Write, W-R-I-T-E, write. Solve sums. You do maths also na in school? S-O-L-V-E, solve. S-U-M-S, sums. Play sports. You play different sports activities in school. P-L-A-Y, play. S-P-O-R-T-S, sports. Now, question number 2. What does a classroom have? Now, we have different things in our classroom. What all are the things? We will see. A classroom has a classboard, a chartboard, a dustbin, many desks and chair. Now, we will learn spelling of hard words. Now, let us see spelling of hard words. First is chartboard. C-H-A-R-T, chart. B-O-A-R-D, board. In classroom we have chartboard also na. Now, what all other things we have in classroom? Classboard. C-L-A-S-S, class. B-O-A-R-D, board. Next is dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Next is desks. D-E-S-K-S. Children, where you keep your notebook and write? On desk. Next is chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. Where you sit? On chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. Now, after discussing bookwork and notebook work of both the chapters, we will revise worksheet of these chapters. Let's see. Question number first, choose the correct option. First, I brush my teeth and bathe in a dash. Where you brush your teeth and take shower? Bathroom or bedroom? The correct answer is option number A, bathroom. Number 2, a dash is a small house in a tall building. Okay children, you must have seen tall buildings which has many houses. What are they called? Flat or tent? I told you tent is a temporary house. We can carry tent from one place to another. So, small house with tall building is called flat. So, the correct answer is F-L-A-T, flat. Number 3, the fan hangs down from the dash. Option A, wall, or option B, ceiling. The fan hangs down from a wall or from the ceiling? From the ceiling. C-E-I-L-I-N-G, ceiling. Number 4, the dash cares for the school garden. Who cares for our school garden? Who plants beautiful flowers in garden? Gardener or peon? Option number A, gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Now we will see matchups. First we will see what are the words. Option number A, caravan, bedroom, houseboat, drawing room, ayah, sweeper and school bag. Now caravan. Caravan is a moving house because it has wheels. Like our car has 4 wheels, na? Caravan also has wheels. Bedroom. Bedroom is a place where we rest and sleep. So, the correct answer is rest and sleep. Number 3, houseboat. Houseboat is made of wood. So, answer is option number D, made of wood. Number 4, drawing room. Now, drawing room is a place where you attend guests, you talk to guests. So, the correct answer is option number G, talk to guests. 5th, ayah. Now, who is ayah? Who looks after the small children? We have so small children also in our school now. Who look after them? Ayah. Sweeper. Now, sweeper is a person who keeps our school clean. So, the option is E, cleans the school compound. Number 7, school bag. Now, what all things we carry in our school bag? We carries books and notebooks. Option number C. Now, we will discuss question number 3. Answer in one word. Which type of houses are made of bricks, iron and cement? Answer is bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Number 2, where do your parents cook food? Where your parents cook food? In kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Now, state true or false. First, I eat my food in bedroom. Do you eat food in bedroom? No, we eat food in dining room. So, this statement is false. A houseboat is made of metal. Is houseboat made of metal? No, it is made of wood. So, this statement is also false. Number 3, there are many people who help us in school. There are many people who care for us and who help us in our school. Yes or no? So, this statement is correct. It is true. The peon drives us to school. Peon drives you to school when you come by van or by bus? No, that person is called driver. So, this statement is false. A tent is made of bricks and cement. Is tent made of bricks and cement? No, it is made of canvas cloth. So, this statement is also false. Now, children, I hope you must have revised book work, notebook work and worksheet with me. Keep practicing. Please see the recorded videos of these chapters which we have sent you earlier. Thank you.